Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Kunana from FTC website. Today, I will discuss about my topic COVID-19 and online learning. So, COVID-19 means coronavirus disease 2019. I know coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by the SARS. A novel coronavirus was identified in Wuhan, China. Next, symptoms of COVID-19. Snatch, cough, headache, muscle pain, fever, breathing difficult. Impact of COVID-19 इकोनॉमिक्स कोविड के कारण बहुत सारा घटा हुआ है, जैसे कि बिजनेस में लॉस हुआ, जीएसटी के परसेंटेज कम हो गया और छोटे छोटे कंपनी बंद हो गया। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट पॉलिटिक्स। कोरोना के कारण पॉलिटिशियन बहुत सारे पॉलिटिशियन डेथ हो गया और बहुत सारी जगह में इलेक्शन नहीं हो पाया और लेजिस्लेटिव और असेंबली की मीटिंग स्थगित हो गया। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट कल्चर। कोविड के कारण कल्चर बहुत सारे कल्चर प्रोग्राम नहीं हो पाए, जैसे कि सिंगिंग कंपटीशन, अवार्ड फंक्शन और डांसिंग कंपटीशन। सो इसलिए और भी बहुत सारा कल्चरल इवेंट नहीं हो पाएगा। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट फूड सिस्टम। कोविड के कारण फूड सिस्टम में प्रभाव पड़ा है, जैसे कि लॉकडाउन हो गया। लॉकडाउन में छोटे छोटे दुकानदार अपने सामान को नहीं बेच पाए और किसानों ने फसल उगाने के बाद मार्केट में अपने फसलों का सही दाम में नहीं बेच पाए। नेक्स्ट पॉइंट एजुकेशन। कोरोना वायरस ने हर सभी देशों में फैला है और मैनी गवर्नमेंट एजुकेशन सिस्टम को टेम्पररी बंद कर दी थी और उसके बदले ऑनलाइन लर्निंग की सुविधा कर दी। नॉट ओनली इफेक्ट ऑफ इकोनॉमिक सेक्टर, पॉलिटिक्स, कल्चर, फूड सिस्टम, एजुकेशन सिस्टम। every sector impact of COVID-19. So online classes during COVID-19. The non-distance of a physical classroom, flexible schedule and increased personal interaction. गूगल मीट ऐप के द्वारा हम ऑनलाइन लर्निंग कर सकते हैं। गूगल मीट ऐप के जूम क्लाउड मीटिंग्स ऐप के द्वारा भी हम ऑनलाइन लर्निंग कर सकते हैं। Advantage of online learning. The knowledge you want first. Second point, learn at your own pace. Flexibility. Third point, lower cost. Fourth point, any time more interaction among student and instruction. Disadvantage of online learning. Missing out on non-verbal communication. Second point is learning with low motivation and bad study habit can fall behind. Third point is student may feel isolated from classmates or instruction.
My name is Gokul Mandal from participate and first of all going to topic. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to presenting about traffic problem. My topic is traffic problem. We are know about traffic rules and regulation. Through that we are getting the safety. But most of the human beings, they are not using properly traffic rules. That's why getting their traffic problems. Traffic rules are imposed by the government for the safety for people. Traffic rules are very important for road safety. it is important for everyone to follow traffic rules. The traffic signal help a smooth movements of the vehicles. Breaking the roads is very harmful, lead to traffic problems. The traffic rules is imposed by the government for a human being. What the imposed and rule and regulation, that is not for government, that is for a human being. These rules are not for India or not for any one country. This rule is all over world. And we can see that normally what is the rule of the government which need to know a travel or a driver, because when we are moving and we are traveling on road, we need to follow the traffic rules and we need to understand the rules of even a light or thus what is the getting us a informed to a traffic rule to move. One is, it is very important to know that traffic route to be safe on the road. What is the need when we are walking or we are driving the on road, that through the traffic route we need to move. And two is, never walking on the road. Same thing is that when we are walking on road, we need to follow the rules and we need to understand which side we need to move and walking. 3. Should always obey the traffic signal. When we are driving and when we are working on traffic, there will be a signal. We can understand the street, that Y street or T street or any kind of street are there. There will be a traffic signal. And 4 is, red light is telling us to stop. When we will move, there will be a signal we will get, that is red. We need to understand that signal is we need to stop. And the next is, green signal means you can go. When we will get the green signal, we need to understand that is we need to go. And 5 is, the car door must be opened by looking back. When we are driving, when we were driving and stop the car or vehicle, we will open the door. We need to see our mirror or back side. Then we will not get the problem and break the traffic rules. Next, should never go around in a moving school bus. When we are driving, when we are driving on road, if before going a school bus, we need to understand, we not to go far for that bus. We need to wait for bus signal and then inform to the horn and we need to go out. Never cross a road on van. The next is, fare station crossing should pedestrian crossing should be used to cross the road. When we are crossing the road, we need to understand and we need to get information. After that, we need to cross. And must not be outside of vehicle's window. When we are sitting on vehicle or bus or any vehicles, we need to keep our safely and we need to and the next is importance of traffic rules, which we need to understand. We need to must follow this rule. Traffic rules are not made by the government for earning money. It is for protection of drivers. Traffic rules are the most important to make the road free of obstacles and buses for the traffic and other things. It is necessary that rules are to be followed by each and every citizen. I told you before that this rule is not for one country or not for a separate place. This rule is for every city or every citizen or for a human being. You can see that rule and regulation which getting to the government. When we are walking the road, we are seeing this all kind of
Symbols. Signs.
Through the symbol, we need to understand our before way. What is the problem or what is how that more. And the road safety rules. Whenever riding a scooter or motorcycle or even a bicycle, make sure you
Bicycle.
Make sure you wear a helmet when you are changing lanes. Overtaking the other car taking a turn, always use turn signal or inside indicator to make follow drivers know about your turn. When we are driving car or bicycle or anything, when we need to move, then we need to get them to signal through the indicator and through the light. Nowadays we are seeing the many kind of technologies are using government to our vehicles. Through that technique, we need to give them the signal and we will get the pass to our way. This is the picture what I explained now. And conclusion. Traffic rules are every important on the road on which we drive our vehicles without its proper usage. We can expect to face lot of traffic jam, slow driving, else and worse than any of these car accident. Each hour a human life gets less. As in a road accident in India, if the drivers drive according to the traffic rules, they can save this late and make it easier to new grad to feel less intimidated by driving on road. This concludes we are telling these are the rule of government which we have. When we will follow this rule, we will not get a problem to traffic. We will follow the traffic rule. That rule is give us a safety. Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Abhishek Gamanga. I will present today a topic about technology and mobile apps.
Technology and
Mobile. Technology and mobile apps.
mobile app.
The stammering problem here also.
Mobile. Say mobile.
Let's now we are discussing about technology and mobile app. A cellular phone is a portable telephone that does not use a wireless. It connects to a wireless carrier network using a radio. A mobile phone is a wireless. The cellular phone is now as a simple cellular phone and simple cell phone. Mobile technology is changing the way we do business. Mobile technology changes the doing of business. Learn about the rapid growth of mobile technology and develop an action plan toward your own mobile app. What is technology? Technology means should derive to two words. Technique means arts of skill, and logia. Logia means science of study. So there are simply technology means arts, study of science of study and skill of arts. But technology is the process by which human modify nature to meet the needs. Technology includes all of the infrastructure necessary of design, manufacture, operation, and repair of technological artifacts from corporate headquarters and engineering schools to manufacturing plant and maintenance facility. What is mobile app? Mobile app means a mobile application is a computer program or software application designed to run a mobile device such as a phone, tablet, and watch. Mobile app application.
You can explain in Hindi. If you are not comfortable in English, आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हो. प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. हिंदी में समझे पड़ोगे? चलिए. तर stammering problem local influence होची हिंदी. Okay, you can run it in Hindi. ये करेगा?
ट्राई करो
Try करो. कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
नहीं होगा तो नहीं होगा, वैसे भी नहीं हो रहा है तो ट्राई करो एटलीस्ट.
ये जो लिखा हुआ है इसको हिंदी में थोड़ा समझा दो बस.
Next.
Mobile application that use and popularity of mobile application are increased day by day. Most of the people trying to use mobile devices and mobile application instead of desktop of easy task.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. It's my pleasure today today my presentation is cyber crime. So first I will give the introduction. In Act 2000, neither defines cybercrime law uses this expression only, provided definition and punishment for certain offences. First is the definition. Narrowly, the defined cybercrime consists of only those offences provided in the Information Technology Act 2000. Broadly stated, cybercrime can be said to be an act of commission or commission committed on the through with the help of or connected with the internet, which directly or indirectly, which is prohibited by any law and for which punishment and monetary and corporal is provided. Classification of cybercrime. Old crime. First is old crime and committed on or through the new medium of the internet. Second is the new crime created with internet itself. The third is the new crimes used for commission of old crime. Classification by nature of uses of computer. First is hacking. Computer and network are essential. And second is cyber pornography. Medium of internet is used. And third is cyber fraud. Only computer is identical for commission. First the hacking, the programmable system, and another is simple to execute, and third is maneuverability for website, and another is biggest threats to internet and e-commerce. First is the definition of efforts to hobby or profession of working with computer. Then another is destroy or delete or alters. Types of hacking, code hacking, and another is pre-hackers, cyberpunks, and hackers. Tampering with computer source document, meaning according to section 65 of the ITR, however, the knowingly or internationally or knowingly causes another to concern, destroy or alter any computer source code used for a computer program, computer system or computer network. When the computer source code is required to be kept or maintained by law for the crime beginning.
Nice reading. follow padiବ ଟିକେ या पूर्व पेज कले फर्स्ट इज द पॉइंट्स भी बनै छ कोटी पॉइंट रो सेरा लागिबो त सबुतरे भाई डॉट स्टार्टिंग तो लास्ट सेंटेंस
हमारा पॉइंट माने पॉइंट को पॉइंट हिसाब से देखो तो हमको सेंटेंस ही तक बने दो
सर म्यूजिक तो रहला सर ये जो 60 रात
मतलब मुझे मेक मी अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट्स
एंड इधर सेकंड पेज को लीजिए the first data point of difference को
sir the old time computed on the through the new medium of the internet means before the time it was the internet is used only high speed internet before the tribal also use the internet high speed. Then after the
good morning sir, good morning all of you. My topic is global warming. Before starting my topic, let's introduce myself. My name is Sobhadranjan Malik. I am from FTCP 08 batch. Let's come to my topic global warming. In this topic we will discuss about my topic what is global warming, effect of global warming, and why global warming is harmful to the human. Let's come to the topic. Before starting, before know what is global warming, let's know what is global. It's involving the entire world. It means the earth warming, increase of temperature. It means the heat. The combination of two words global and warming. Let's briefly know in the next paragraph. Global warming is an expression which refers to the effect of human activity that produce the unnatural changes on the climate. It means the unnatural changes of the climate happen due to the global warming. The main reason of global warming occurs the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels means coal, oil, and many gases. And the last scale of deforestation. Deforestation means cut down the trees. Nowadays, we cut down the forest and trees to make residential buildings and apartments. And the effect of greenhouse gases to the atmosphere. We know the Earth of the layer, ozone layer, in ozone layer, that's because of CO2, carbon dioxide. And in this picture, we know about the global warming causes: air pollution, carbon dioxide. In the air pollution, we use so many vehicles on unnecessary time. So I recommend use public transport from safe fuels and air pollution. Carbohydrate, coal, and deforestation. Emission, fossil fuels, greenhouse effect, industrial plant, natural gas. That's the main reason occurs the global warming. Come to the next point. My point of view, causes of global warming described in 5 steps. Power plant. 93% of electric industry emission result from the burning oil. In the industry, power plant produce electric, the burning of coal. In case transportation, we discuss about previous slide. We use public transport or reduce transportation. Deforestation. When we cut down the forest and trees, the carbon dioxide level is increased. The tree absorb the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Garbage. It releases methane and nitrogen. Oxide gases. Approximately 18% of methane gases in the atmosphere comes from the waste disposal and treatment. When I put the wastage in garbage so many years and the plastic, it is not disposal in soil, so that the methane and nitrogen oxide gases are produced. The farming, industrial farming and the release huge level of methane and carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. And nowadays, some company prescribe industrial farming that have the use of chemicals, that is the soil is प्रदूषित हो जाता है, इसलिए हम इंडस्ट्रियल फार्मिंग को प्रेस्क्राइब नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए तो हम ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग को प्रेस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. कम टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. इफेक्ट ऑफ ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. Temperature rises, rise in sea level, water shortage, floods and drought. Effect of biodiversity. Temperature rises due to the carbon dioxide, rise of sea level because of glacier melting to the temperature rises. When temperature rises, the glacier is melting. The water comes to the sea level and the sea level increases. Water shortages. The main reason of water shortage is the temperature rise. When the temperature rise, the drinking water comes down the soil and we facing so many problems. Floods and droughts. In Odia language, we got a proverb, Jala Bohule Sustinasa, Jala Bhumi Sustinasa. That's occur in the flood and droughts. Less water is gone to the droughts, the huge of waters, rainwater, gone to the floods. Effect of the biodiversity. It means geography. The animals affected in this biodiversity. Effect of global warming. cause in 4 steps: reduce, reuse, recycle, and then replanet. That's the main step. We prevent the global warming. The main demand of the using global warming by reducing demand fossil fuels. That because of we using the vehicles, by the fuel. Nowadays we recommend use electric bikes and scooters. You can using compact fluorescent light CLFO. Then before we use incandescent bulbs that takes 75% energy. Nowadays CLFO bulbs is better than incandescent bulb because it is less than 75% energy. By planting trees, trees absorb carbon dioxide or give us oxygen. Conclusion: if you want to live longer, to be safer and in good health, we must protect our environment. That is the motto. Stop global warming. Before it, stop you. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you. It's my pleasure that you all are giving time for me. Let's have a good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you that we all are giving time for me. Yes, my topic is e-commerce. First is what is e-commerce? E-commerce is commonly known as electronic commerce or electronic market, and the next is the technical of doing through internet and web is called e-commerce or e-commerce business. Business means business is buying or selling product through internet. Business is buying and selling product through internet, and e-commerce is a primary stage or developing stage in our country. So it contains the direct consumer directly connected to the suppliers, and e-commerce leads higher business to turnover and a large consumer base, resulting increase income and profit. Or through e-commerce we use in online information or information technology or connecting the business through internet. Next is application of e-commerce. First is useful in marketing. E-commerce we use in marketing through online shopping. So we directly connected with the manufacturer and satisfied services. And next is useful in educational purpose. E-commerce facilitated in education to provide get submission and get regarding to highest process to get proper knowledge, and help in banking transaction. E-commerce is get information to your client, any information to banking transaction. That's like deposit, credit, withdraw, etc. Next is online booking. Nowadays, tickets in online booking are airlines, railway, bus, so help in e-commerce. Next is paperless. This paperless is e-commerce. Now exchange of business e-commerce in EDI. EDI is electronic data interchange. As usually retail shop. E-commerce help in retail shop to buying and selling product or online book, to buying food or electronic gadget. Next is types of e-commerce. First is business to business. This business to business e-commerce is buying and selling of products to providing business, or business to business e-commerce are many time profit to any sites. Next is business to consumer. Business to consumer is like the business to consumer is buying and selling product to the customers. The house sell and good provide the customer in the house sell and selling the product in the customer. Next is consumer to consumer. Consumer to consumer is like consumer to consumer business are person to person. To P2P person. The person to person e-commerce in main problem is person to person is faceless and person to person is faceless and stronger. Then go to go business. Go to go business and work with online information or submission to online information that regarding information in two or more clients in the web. Next is go to business. Government to business. Government to business is government is regarding information to the business service on a super product between service. Next is go to citizen. Go to citizen is government to citizen. E-commerce is buying or selling product to the citizen in the path of e-commerce. E-commerce is any people, any person could earn annual income in internet exchange. Using internet exchange.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kamasagar Maji from FTCP, and my topic is health and medicine. Being healthy is most necessary in our human life, and health is very necessary. And first, you know that about health. What is health? A state of health is physical, social, and mental well-being. Then you know that what is physical health. That's all about health. Health have three types. And what is physical health? Physical health is the state of well-being is free from illness and injuries, and it can cover a wide range of area. It includes dental health, habit. It includes dental health, weight diet, weight health, the personal hygiene and sleep, and the physical health overall, the act of well-being. Then you know that what is mental health. The state of mental health, every individual realizes his or her personality can cope the mental health, the normal stress of life, and contribute their community. Then you know that about social health. Social health is necessary. Social health is necessary about our health. Then maintaining your health, so medicine is necessary. So medicine are alternative medicine system, mind body intervention, biological based therapies, multiplicative and body based method, energy therapies. And in the conclusion, we need a healthy lifestyle to build up a healthy immune system and avoid disease. Your maintain means a healthy immune system to protect our body, keep our body weight in a healthy range, and go to exercise regularly. And in conclusion, a healthy person can be a disease-free, but disease-free person cannot be a healthy person. That's all about my presentation. Any questions?
You come to your second slide. No.
The next one.
What do you mean on manipulative and body best method? Because all the points I am unable to understand what you have written here.
Manipulative and body means how to maintain your body physically or mentally or socially. So this is the best method of medicine, the manipulative and body.
And what is biological? Hey, please explain about these
Points.
5 points.
Alternative medical system. So medical system. In medicine, taking if you some disease is normal, so you can take some medicine in our context, but in high disease, so you take medical system alternatively. And mind body intervention. If you in stress or it conduct mental health, so mind body intervention means somebody you cancel that to interview mind body intervention. Then biological is the best therapy.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, all of you. My name is Rajkishan Malik. My topic is about tenor. My favorite tenors name are Mr. Bapu Behra and Mr. Vijay Kumar Sara. Bapu sir is the domain tenor and Vijay sir is the subscription. They are very kind and humble person. They are regular and punctual. They are deep knowledge and clear subject. They are explaining everything in a very simple and fun way. They are interest of students equal. They are tenors good habits and moral values. They are leaves of chocolates when we do good in our life test. I pray to God to bless their with wealth, health and prosperity.
Good morning, sir. Before I start my presentation, introduce myself. My name is Raju Singh. I am FTCB Advance. Today my presentation is about your best friend. I hope you will be impressed my presentation. Discuss about your best friend. There is a lot of social relationship individual may have and become part of his life, such as material relationship or an individual's relationship with his family. But friendship is a very different things. Talk to your best friend if you are not afraid to complain to him or him or express your feelings. This recipe lasts forever, but not disappear. You can share. Friendship must be durable and lasting and permanent. Forgiveness, love, kindness, friendliness are all quality of good friends. You find your friends wherever you go, does not go away, and does not interrupt the communication between you. The true friends, one who loves you and approach you without charge or interest. He just wants you to be happy and prevent you from as much harm and prevent you from the friendship is an important in human life that grow in friends to support you in life. Do not lose its friendship forever. The friendship will be not. Good morning, sir. Before I start my presentation, introduce myself. My name is Raju Singh. I am FTCB advisor. Today my presentation is about your best friend. I hope you will be impressed with my presentation. Discuss about your best friend. There is a lot of social relationship individual may have and become part of his life, such as material relationship or an individual's relationship with his family. But the friendship is a very different things. Talk to your best friend if you are not afraid to complain to him or him or express your feelings. This recipe lasts forever, but not disappear. You can share. Friendship must be durable and lasting and permanent. Forgiveness, love, kindness, friendliness are all quality of good friends. You find your friends wherever you go, does not go away, and does not interrupt the communication between you. True friends, one who loves you and approach you without charge or interest. He just wants you to be happy and prevent you from as much harm and prevent you from the friendship is an important in human life that grow in friends to support you in life. Do not lose its friendship forever. The friendship will be not.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hamsal Khan from FTC 8 group. Today my project is child labor. So, first I have discussed about what is labor. Labor is is the amount of physical, mental, and social efforts used to produce goods and services in an economy. Then next main things of tell me about what is child labor. Child labor is referred to the employment of children in any work that deprives them of their childhood, interferes with their ability to attend regular basis of education, and that is mentally, physically, socially, or morally dangerous and harmful. How many are there? Let's see the picture. Around 246 million children around the world. Then what the let's see the percentage. 50% in Asia and 23% in Africa, 8% in Latin America, and 1% in US. Canada and Europe, they are every nation. So child labor in India. Around the child labor in India, 12.1 child labor in India. So next, regulation and prohibition are. This is the declared by the Parliament of 23rd December 1986. It includes the prohibition of employment of children into certain occupations and processes. So, no child shall be employed or permitted to work in any of the occupations which are hazardous by its nature. Conclusion: the social malady of child labor can be brought under control if individual takes responsibility of reporting about any employment a child below the age of 14 years